Welcome to our journey into the principles of design, the creative tools that help us arrange the elements of art into something extraordinary. Think of it as the secret formula behind the art that captivates us and sparks our imagination. Elements are the raw ingredients, the building blocks of the arts. Principles, on the other hand, are like the chef's recipe, guiding how these elements come together to create something visually stunning. Principles of composition are the clever tricks artists use to arrange and mix elements, resulting in art that not only grabs your attention but leaves you thinking or feeling deeply. Unity is the glue that holds everything together, making all the parts of an artwork fit seamlessly. It brings harmony to the artwork, giving the piece a sense of completeness, like everything belongs exactly where it is. Take Giotto's bell tower ceiling painting. Its carefully arranged design elements work together to create a stunning sense of unity and harmony that draws the viewer's eye and creates an unforgettable experience. Rhythm is like giving your design a heartbeat, a visual tempo that organizes movement and keeps the eye dancing across the composition. It's all about repetition, gradation, radiation, opposition, or transition, adding variety while keeping the beat alive and energetic. Look at Escher's lizard. Repeating shapes weave together, creating a rhythmic flow that's endlessly fascinating. It's a perfect example of how rhythm can bring a design to life. Balance ensures everything feels stable and visually right. Artists achieve this by distributing visual weight equally, whether it's formal, also known as symmetrical, informal, also known as asymmetrical, or radial, where elements are radiating from a center point. It's the foundation of creating harmony in a composition. Balance can be found in many captivating works of art. Salvador Dalí's Mae West Lips sofa shows formal balance, with its playful yet visually stable composition. Van Gogh's still life with basket and 6 oranges demonstrates a carefully distributed arrangement of objects to achieve informal balance. Lastly, an Islamic circular design pattern perfectly embodies radial balance, where elements radiate harmoniously around a central point. Proportion is about getting the relationships between sizes, colors, or numbers of elements in a design just right, creating a sense of harmony. For example, in drawing a person, proportion means ensuring the head is the right size compared to the body. But proportion isn't just about being correct. Artists often play with proportions to express ideas or evoke emotions, stretching the boundaries of what's expected. Michelangelo's David is a masterclass in proportion. The sculpture's carefully crafted human form exemplifies ideal balance and harmony, while its exaggerated size emphasizes the heroic nature of the figure, amplifying its impact on viewers. Movement gives a sense of action and directs how the viewer's eyes travel across the artwork, while variety ensures it remains visually dynamic. Artists achieve movement by arranging elements in a way that leads the viewer's gaze, while variety adds contrast through diverse colors, shapes, and sizes to keep things engaging. Michelangelo Wautia's The Triumph of Bacchus combines movement and variety brilliantly. The painting's composition captures the dynamic energy of the scene, while the variation in figures, colors, and textures keeps your attention bouncing from one detail to another. Emphasis is about making a specific part of the artwork stand out, grabbing your attention immediately. Artists achieve this by using bold colors, contrasting light and dark areas, or distinct shapes and textures. Subordination, on the other hand, makes sure the surrounding elements support and enhance the focal point, rather than distract from it. Thomas Leroy's The Weight of Thought is an excellent example of emphasis. The striking contrast between the exaggerated head and the sculpture's overall minimalist surroundings forces the viewer's focus onto the symbolic weight and emotion conveyed by the figure. Thank you for joining this exploration of the principles of design. We hope this journey has sparked your creativity and given you a deeper appreciation for how artists organize the elements of art. Remember, these principles aren't just rules, they're tools to help you express ideas, evoke emotions, and create something truly impactful. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and thank you for watching.